Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get dark mode on PayPal. This is especially useful if you spend a lot of time managing payments, checking transactions, or working late at night and want a more comfortable viewing experience. If you use PayPal on a desktop browser and prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially at night, it's important to know that PayPal does not currently offer a built-in dark mode on desktop. So, if you've been looking through the settings and not finding the option, that's completely normal. A lot of users assume it's hidden in settings, but at the moment, it simply isn't built into the platform. The good news is that there is still a simple workaround you can use to make the site appear in dark mode. It only takes a few minutes to set up and can make a big difference in reducing eye strain. What you'll want to do is use a third-party browser extension designed to apply dark themes to websites. Popular options include extensions like Dark Mode or Dark Reader. These tools can automatically change bright website backgrounds into darker ones, making sites like PayPal more comfortable to look at while browsing. Some of them also allow you to adjust contrast and brightness so you can fine-tune the look based on your preference. To get started, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for a dark mode extension. You can search for something like Dark Reader or a similar dark mode tool. This works best on Chrome, but similar extensions are also available on other browsers like Edge and Firefox. When choosing one, it's a good idea to quickly check the reviews and ratings so you can pick an extension that's reliable and widely used. Also pay attention to how recently it was updated, since that usually indicates better compatibility with modern websites like PayPal. After you find the extension you want, add it to your browser. The installation usually only takes a few seconds, and once it's installed, you'll typically see its icon appear in your browser toolbar. Once it's been added, make sure the extension is enabled. Depending on the extension, you may also see a few display settings you can adjust, but in most cases, the default setup works just fine for this. Some extensions even let you enable dark mode only on specific sites, which is useful if you don't want every website to be affected. Next, go back to your PayPal page if it was already open. Refresh the page so the extension can apply the dark theme properly. In some cases, you may need to toggle the extension on and off once for it to fully activate. After the refresh, PayPal should appear in dark mode inside your browser. The interface will now look darker and more comfortable for long browsing sessions. Keep in mind that because this is not an official PayPal feature, the appearance may vary slightly depending on the extension you use. Some colors, buttons, or backgrounds may look a little different from one extension to another. This is normal and depends on how each tool processes website styling. If one extension doesn't look quite right, you can always try another one until you find the style that works best for you. Sometimes switching extensions or adjusting settings can significantly improve the overall look. And that's really all there is to it. Since PayPal doesn't currently support native dark mode on desktop, using a browser extension is the easiest way to get that darker look without needing any technical setup. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.